Learn salsa dancing for beginners on 2 in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we will learn the two most important things that will help you with this 30-day course. Number 1, the line. Because we are learning linear salsa, the line is the most important thing. This line will help you with your positioning in relation to your partner. You either own the line with your partner or getting out of the way, clearing the line and switching places. You will notice this line appearing and disappearing throughout the videos. And you will also hear me using terms like on the line, off the line, over the line, and clearing the line. The second most important thing is the steps. Once you've mastered the footwork, you will be able to move freely on the dance floor and focus on leading your partner. So you don't need to worry about the hands, the leading, the styling, or musicality. All the videos are focused on the steps. We will learn individual steps, and we will also practice them together as part of longer sequences that are the most common combinations actually used on the dance floor. And because we are focused on the steps, you don't need a partner. And don't miss the master tape at the end. Ready for day 1? Click here or in the description below. And to help you get the most out of your practice, the videos have been designed for you to learn without needing explanations. All the videos are follow along with the music playing constantly, which means you are practicing 100% of the time. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. In today's master tip, if you are practicing with a phone or a tablet, find somewhere to place it to help you follow along with me in the same direction.